Hello everyone! For those who tackle serious woodcutting tasks or manage demanding outdoor projects, having the right chainsaw is essential. In this countdown, we're spotlighting 5 standout models that offer the power, durability, and precision professionals need. From adjustable milling attachments to cord-free convenience, each product brings its own unique strengths to the table. Let's explore and see which chainsaw is best suited for your high-powered cutting needs. Starting off this list at number 5, we have the Chainsaw Mill Sawmill. It is a must-have tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts aiming to turn logs into usable lumber. Designed with adjustable rails, it accommodates various chainsaw sizes, offering flexibility for different project needs. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures stability while remaining portable. Perfect for creating planks and beams, it's ideal for small to medium-scale milling tasks. However, setting it up may require some practice, and it's best suited for those with experience handling chainsaws. Customers left their review regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After looking at its features and customer ratings, we have rated it 4.4 out of 5. The Chainsaw Mill Sawmill is praised for its versatility and efficiency. It's an excellent choice for woodworkers looking to process their own lumber affordably and with precision. Coming in at number 4, we have the CC Cordless Chainsaw, which is a versatile and lightweight tool designed for efficient cutting in gardens and courtyards. Powered by rechargeable batteries, it ensures cordless convenience and portability. With a sharp, durable chain and an efficient motor, it's suitable for pruning branches, cutting firewood, and light-duty landscaping tasks. Its ergonomic handle and low vibration enhance user comfort. However, the power and cutting capacity are more suited for light to medium-duty tasks rather than professional-grade or heavy-duty projects. Let's look at what customers have said about the product. After carefully considering the features and customer feedback, we have rated it 4.5 out of 5. The CC Cordless Chainsaw is a reliable option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Its combination of portability, ease of use, and efficiency makes it a practical choice for maintaining gardens and tackling small cutting projects. A handy addition to any toolkit for everyday tasks. Now coming in at number 3. We have the brushless cordless chainsaw with battery and auto oiler, which is designed for efficient and hassle-free operation. Powered by a rechargeable battery and equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers consistent power and long-lasting performance. The automatic oiler ensures the chain stays lubricated for smooth cuts and reduced wear. Its lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use. But it's best suited for light to medium-duty tasks rather than heavy-duty cutting or professional-grade jobs. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After considering the features and customer feedback, we have given it a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. This cordless chainsaw is appreciated for its portability, low maintenance, and reliable performance. A practical addition to your collection for easy and efficient garden maintenance. Now climbing up to number 2 spot, we have the Cordless Portable Chainsaw is a lightweight and efficient tool tailored for household and courtyard tasks. With a rechargeable battery, it offers cordless convenience, making it easy to trim branches, prune shrubs, and handle small cutting jobs. Its sharp chain ensures smooth cuts, while the ergonomic handle and low vibration provide comfort during use. However, it's primarily designed for light to medium-duty tasks and may not be ideal for heavy-duty applications. Let's see what customers have left in their feedback regarding the product. After considering the features and customer ratings, we have rated it 4.7 out of 5. This cordless chainsaw is a reliable and practical choice for homeowners looking for an easy-to-use and portable cutting tool. Its compact design and consistent performance make it a handy addition to your gardening toolkit for regular maintenance tasks. Perfect for quick and efficient results. Reigning supreme at the top of our list, we have the compatible portable electric chainsaw. It is a compact and versatile tool for courtyard and household use. It features a rechargeable battery for cordless operation, ensuring easy maneuverability for pruning, trimming, and light cutting tasks. Its sharp, efficient chain delivers clean cuts, while the lightweight design and ergonomic handle enhance user comfort. However, it's designed for light to medium-duty applications and may not provide the power required for heavy or professional-grade tasks. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After carefully considering its features and customer feedback, we have given it a solid rating of 5 out of 5. This portable electric chainsaw is a dependable choice for homeowners seeking a convenient and efficient tool for everyday yard maintenance. It's a solid addition to your gardening equipment, ideal for quick and easy trimming tasks. We've just taken a closer look at 5 impressive chainsaws engineered for professional use. Each delivers a winning combination of reliability, performance, and user-friendly features to handle even the toughest cutting jobs. If you found this rundown helpful, be sure to drop a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more in-depth tool insights. Thanks for tuning in, and keep aiming for precision in every project.